Thank you for joining us today. Welcome everyone to a very exciting announcement of a project which we have been working on for quite some time. Here at Pit Lane Clothing, we make clothes for all those with a racer's spirit. Many people think we just make t-shirts, and whilst this is true, we also make jackets, hoodies, watches, polos, luggage, swimwear, and even sneakers as well. And as fans and followers of our brand know, when we say we use real race car drivers to test our range on track, we mean it. Whilst every project we do is fun, this is without doubt our most exciting project yet. We labeled this top secret project Project 8, and you will now see why. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for all those with a racer's spirit, Pit Lane Clothing would like to present the Pit Lane Clothing Audi LMS R8.